Oi, tudo bem com você? Hi, how are you? Be welcome to our lesson. We are gonna learn how to use the verb vir and the most important, how to conjugate like I come, he comes, you come, I came in Portuguese. So be welcome. We are gonna learn how to conjugate this verb that we use a lot and when to use it. The way to use it's the same in English, but the conjugations are very different. So I would say for you, try to take notes, and in case you have any questions, feel free to ask us here in the comments. I come, in Portuguese we say eu venho. Repeat, eu venho. The sentence, one example, eu venho à escola todos os dias. Eu venho à escola todos os dias. Now you come would be actually you, he and she, it's the same conjugation here. Vem. Ele vem, he comes. Ela vem, she comes. And you come, você vem. Pay attention on the example and try to take notes and repeat. Ele vem de longe para nos visitar. He comes from far away to visit us. Here could you change ele for you and she. Você vem de longe. Ela vem de longe. The same conjugation. Vem for you, he and she. Now we come. Nós vimos. Nós vimos. Nós sempre vimos juntos. Nós sempre vimos junto. Try to repeat the sentence and take notes. It really helps you a lot. Now the plural, you, all, or they, it's the same pronunciation. You can see there is an accent. Yes, there is an accent, but it's the same pronunciation. Okay. It also happens with the verb to have. We just use this accent to identify to the reader that it's the plural. For example, ele, singular, ele vem. He comes actually. Now the plural, they come. Eles vêm. Elas vêm. And the plural, you all, vocês vêm. Example, elas vêm à reunião mais tarde. They are coming to the meeting later. Here I could change elas for eles. Eles vêm. And remember, elas is the group of women in the plural. And the plural, you all, vocês vêm. So we saw the conjugations, but now let's see in different contexts. How do we use the usage of those verbs here, those conjugations? So, the first one, it's the same idea as in English. Coming from a place. Eu venho do mercado. I come from the market. So, you start your Portuguese lesson, you arrive at a restaurant with a Brazilian, you say, eu venho de casa. I come from home. Also, we use for future actions, like eles vêm à festa amanhã. They are coming to the party tomorrow. The same idea as in English, okay? For future actions. Also, to arrival. The idea is very similar to English, but we use it to Portuguese too. Like, the plane is coming. O avião vem de Paris. The plane is coming from Paris. Ele vem do Brasil. He comes from Brazil, or he's coming from Brazil. Also, we can use as requests and invitations. Vem comigo ao cinema. Same idea as in English. Come with me to the cinema. Vem comigo. Next one. Expressing surprise. Vocês não vêm ao casamento? Here I put an intonation. Vocês não vêm ao casamento? You are not coming to the wedding. Same idea as in English, okay? So, is it an easy or difficult verb? I would say the hard thing is the conjugations. So the best thing to you learn the conjugations here is writing the sentences here, the conjugation, eu venho, and the copy the sentence here. Eu venho à escola. Pause this video, take your time, write this in a notebook. I hope you have a notebook to your Portuguese lessons, okay? Any questions about this verb, the usage, or other verb, feel free to send us here in the comments. And remember, every week we have lessons here on YouTube and also on our Instagram. Subscribe on our channel for you don't miss anything at all, or follow our page. The link is in the description. I will finish here saying thank you, or in Portuguese, muito obrigado. I hope to see you soon. Espero ver você logo, tá? Até mais. Tchau, tchau.